Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to resolve the issue of Facebook Ads Manager displaying zero results, and we will do it all in under 5 minutes. If you have been struggling to view your data, this guide will help you get everything back in order. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search field, type Facebook Ads Manager and press Enter. The first result should take you straight to the official Ads Manager landing page. Once the page loads, locate and click the button labeled Go to Ads Manager. You will then be asked to sign in, so enter your Facebook email and password. If you have two-factor authentication active, make sure to complete that security step as well. After submitting your login details, you will be directed to your campaign's dashboard. This area is where your active campaigns are listed, or at least where they should appear. If your dashboard is currently showing no results, there is no need to panic because we are going to fix it right now. One very common reason for seeing empty data is the date configuration. By default, Facebook frequently sets the date range to yesterday. You need to change this to today or the specific time frame you want to analyze. To adjust this, find the date filter at the top of the dashboard. Clicking this will allow you to select your preferred date range. If you still don't see any results after modifying the date, the next step is to verify your attribution settings. Go to the search bar and type in Attribution Setting. Once you find it, look for the drop-down menu called Select Values. Open this menu and select the 7-day click option. Be sure to click the Apply button to confirm these changes. Choosing these settings will cause the dashboard to refresh. It might take a few seconds for the data to load properly. Once the reload is finished, this fix should effectively resolve the zero results problem. You should now see all your campaign information displayed clearly on the screen. Keep in mind that you may need to check these settings often, particularly if you manage several accounts or switch between different campaigns. Reviewing your date filters and attribution should become a standard part of your workflow whenever data seems missing. That is all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can fix the zero results error in Facebook Ads Manager with ease. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your marketing tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.